Hello my ladies, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time and location. You're highly welcome to OC Hair Lounge, a channel that is dedicated to bringing you more stylish, trendy and inspiring nail designs and hairstyles. So if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, or you have been watching my videos but you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe, okay? Hit on the bell notification so that you don't miss our videos as soon as we publish them in the channel. Thank you so much as you join us. So guys, today we have carefully selected most gorgeous and trending Christmas nails ideas for my ladies. These are very beautiful Christmas nails, okay? So just watch it from beginning to the end. Trust me, you'll be amazed with the beautiful styles that we have compiled just for you, my ladies. Okay, so we have it in different colors, different nail designs, different shapes. So both long and short length is in this video. So just watch, select your most loved ones and then share to your loved one. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. That's one way of encouraging us to even bring more style. Will you be trying any of these nails? Just let us know in the comment section. And please feel free to check out of our videos. Remember, we have varieties, okay? We as well have hairstyles on this channel, so just go check them out. Thank me later. So as to watch, like, comment and share. We'll be waiting for your lovely comment section. Thank you so much, my ladies, as we'll be looking forward to seeing you again on our next video.